Welcome to this short tutorial on how to customize your division or area website photo carousel. My name is Sue Breyer, and in this video I'll be taking you through the quick and easy steps to adding and removing photos in the rotating photo carousel on the front page of your division or area website. 2 step-by-step handouts are also available for you to print and use as a reference as I take you through the tutorial. These handouts, one is detailed and one is concise, can be found on the Division Support and Training page where you found this video. First of all, let's distinguish between uploading photos to your division or area website and changing or customizing the photos appearing in the rotating photo carousel. When you access either a division or an area website, the photo carousel is located on the left-hand side of the page and includes a collection of rotating photos which reflect people and activities in the division or the area. Division or area web managers may add photos to their photo collection, accessed by clicking on the Photos tab on the blue menu bar, but that requires a completely different process. In this video, we'll be focusing only on the photo carousel. There are 2 options you can choose from to customize the photos in the photo carousel. Option number 1 is to use the new online update form. To access this new update form, you need to first access your division or area website. To access your division website, use the division website address similar to what you see here, substituting the 2 red X's with your division numeral. Once on your division website, you would click on the DWM communication form link just under the Division Web Managers heading. You'll then be asked to log into your CalRTA account. Type in your member number in the top box and your last name in lowercase letters in the bottom box, and then click Login. You will then be taken to the online update form. Another way to access the online update form is from the CalRTA Leadership Directory page. To do so, you first need to access the CalRTA website at calrta.org and log into your CalRTA account. You will then be taken to the Members page. Look for the box in the middle of the page that says Leadership Directory and click on it. You will then be taken to the Leadership Directory. On the right-hand side at the top, you will see the words Click Here To and a blue link underneath that says Submit Leader Changes. Click this blue link to access the online update form. Here is a snippet of the online update form titled Area Division Updates and Revisions. Scroll down the page until you see this heading, Home Page Photo Carousel, Make Changes. To the right of the title, you'll see a blue link that says Email Us. Simply click on the blue link. Once you click on the Email Us button, you'll be taken to a pre-addressed blank email. Fill out the email with the subject line similar to this, Update to a Photo Carousel. Add a brief statement of your request. I'd like to update the photo carousel for Division 99. Then include your personal information such as your name, contact phone number, your division number, and your area number, and then include clear instructions such as these listed here. Please remove the photo of the 2 people sitting at a table, the man wearing the red shirt. And please add the 2 attached photos. They are in 4:3 horizontal landscape format. Thank you very much. Then sign your name and add your leadership position. Don't forget to attach your photos that you want uploaded to the photo carousel. Now, option number 2 for updating or customizing your photo carousel is to simply send a personal email to questionsforcalrta@gmail.com. As in the previous illustration, be sure to include your first and last name, your phone number, division and/or area number, and clear instructions. Sign your name with your leadership position title. And again, don't forget to add your photo attachments. When you're ready, simply click Send. Now, just a few words about the photos that can be used in the carousel. Please do not use photos that are in a portrait or a vertical format such as this. The photo program is not designed for portrait photos, so if they are uploaded, they're usually distorted, they may come out sideways, or only a random portion of the photo will show. So, when submitting photos, please submit only landscape or horizontal photos with an aspect ratio of 4:3, as seen here. Now, for additional clarification on the types of photos to submit, let's go to the next slide. Here are some simple do's and don'ts in submitting photos for the photo carousel. Do submit photos in a landscape format with a 4:3 aspect ratio. Submit photos that are close-ups of 1 to 4 individuals. Perhaps use photos that represent your region or meeting venue. Pictures of people having fun, of course. Pictures showing diversity representative of your division or area. Now, don't do the following. Please do not submit photos in a portrait or vertical format. Avoid pictures of people at a far distance. Please, no panorama shots. And avoid pictures showing the backs of people watching a presentation. Now, these are just a few suggestions when choosing photos to upload to the carousel. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. If you have any questions at all about customizing your division or area photo carousel, you can send an email to questionsforcalrta@gmail.com, and a CTC specialist will contact you within 24 hours. Thank you again.